Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys this beautiful thing which I have purchased recently. Let me just open this pack so that you guys can see what it is about. Although you guys already know from the title that what it is about. So I purchased an Apple Watch AC series, that is special edition series. So yeah, I got this directly from Apple's website, which is www.apple.in. I purchased this in the shade gold 40 dial. Though it says gold, but it looks very much like rose gold. It's a beautiful thing. So I'll just quickly show what all I have got inside this. This is this dial, and then when you open this, you'll get the wire, which is a magnetic charging wire. It somehow looks like this. I have removed it already because I was just checking out what all I got in the box. Then in another box I got the bands. The bands looks very pretty. It's in blush pink color, 40 so I got in two sizes, like one for 44 dial, like people with a bit of larger wrist. This is in size L, and the small one is in size medium to medium. Yeah, so I removed this one for me, and it comes with the other half of the band. So yeah, I'm removing it for me, and I'm keeping it for maybe, I don't know, maybe I can use it later or something. Eventually I'll buy other color of bands as well. And look at this gorgeous dial. So I just set it up. I set up the watch, and this is the watch face. When you swipe it up, you get the control center with Wi-Fi and everything. So this is one watch face where you can see all the movements, like duration when you stand up, like your all of that. So it has a lot of watch faces. I have set 3-4 watch faces already. This is one, and we have the next one is also a similar one, but with this thing with an analog dial thing, and then this. So for now I have set 3 watch faces, which are really pretty. I think this pink one is going really well with my blush pink watch. So once you open that, when you click on that crown, you'll get this all the apps. You can see all the apps. You can download a lot of apps also. So yeah, that is there. And if you click on the button next to that crown, you will get like the recent notifications and stuff. So yeah, and I like this feature, which is this phone shaped feature. If you lose your phone, or if you can't find your phone, you can just click on this icon, and they will send a notification, like sound to your phone, so that you can find it easily. So that's a very smart move. And yeah, and when you click on the button next to the crown, you'll get all this, like recently played, recently called, WhatsApp notifications and stuff, your heart rate and all of that. So that was my first impression about the watch. I can give you guys a full detail, like a review, nice review, once I start using it. This was just an unboxing thing, like unbox with me type of a thing. And when you see the like the back side of the watch, it has the sensor, really pretty and delicate looking. So yes, it costed me the price and all I will mention in the description box, or if you guys want to know, just comment below. I will reply to you guys for sure. So yeah, it was a nice experience for me. Also, Apple website, it was my first experience buying from them. I generally go to the Apple store and buy stuff. During my AirPods also and my phone also, I went to the store directly and purchased. But then I was just curious to try out the website because the nearer stores or nearby stores of Apple are shut because of the pandemic. So I just took a leap of faith, you can say, and went ahead with the online thing. And I was very very impressed with the service. Like, I ordered today and I got delivered it by tomorrow, like that. It's very quick. So yeah, this was my first impression. If you guys like it, just give it a thumbs up and comment below.